वर्तमान आमे प्रीपोजिशन शब्द रे डिस्कशन करिया। प्रीपोजिशन कहले कोन बुझिबा जते इंग्लिश सेंटेंस रे इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज रे हम जो प्रीपोजिशन व्यवहार करूछंती तार काम होचे या ए प्रीपोजिशन इज ए वर्ड व्हिच हेल्प्स और व्हिच कनेक्ट्स टू नाउन फ्रेजेस इनटू अदर वर्ड्स। वाक्य रे रहितिबा अन्य शब्द मानक सहित जे विशेष पद को एवं तमर नाउन फ्रेज को विशेषित जड़ित जो खंड वाक्य ताकू भी जुड़िबो एवं कास जुड़िबो ना प्रोनाउन सहित जुड़िबो सेहि में हमें प्रीपोजिशन व्यवहार करते हैं। वर्तमान हमें इन शब्द रे एक एग्जांपल लबा नै कि जैसे वर्तमान साइज स्मिता या नै कि साइज स्मिता नाउ साइज स्मिता इज इन द सर्कल। साइज स्मिता इज इन द सर्कल जब now Sai Smita is out of the circle. In or out? I am in the circle. I am out of the circle. Situation to बुझी पाछो तो ताले I am in the circle. Sai Smita is in the circle. Now both of you, Sai Smita and I, in the circle. We both are out the circle. वर्तमान हमें दुई जन तक सर्कल रो बाहर इन और आउट बुझेला। दिस इज ए जार, दिस इज ए जार। डू यू सी दिस इज ए जार?
Yes. Yes.
दिस इज ए बॉल?
Yes. Yes.
Now I enter the ball into the jar. Now I enter ball into the jar. Do you guess what is the meaning of into? Into Vittora Adaku. What the ball is into the jar, but not in the jar. Here is the example. The ball is in the jar. The ball is in the jar, but the ball is into the jar. Guess the difference between into and in. Into और in भितर मानने बुझी पालो ना को जगह प्रीपोजिशन लागिबो। The mouse is into the hole. मुसाटी गात आड़ी को जाउछ किंतु गात भितर को जाई नै। When the ball is fall of the jar, now I can say the ball is in the jar. Now the ball is out of the jar. The ball is out of the jar.
Yes.
Now the ball is in the jar. Okay. Puja Sudha. Here the glass. Now the glass is on the box. Preposition on. Now the glass is on the box. You can say what is this?
Jar is in the box.
The jar is in the box or the jar is on the box? What is correct?
On the box.
Now the jar is on the box. Now the jar is in the box. Do you understand? Now the jar is in the box. Now the jar is on the box. Sit down here. Here, sit down. Now Puja Smita is sitting on the bench. Rukmani say, how the activity? Puja Smita is
Sitting on the bench.
Yes. Now she is sitting on the bench. Now he is sitting on the bench. I am standing on the floor. I am standing on the floor. चट्टान ऊपर छिड़ा है. Do you guess the difference between on and in? Yes.
This is a box.
This is the box. Say, using preposition, say a sentence.
The ball is on the box.
The ball is on the box. Is it correct? Yes or no? Yes. Now the ball is on the box. But now,
The ball is over the box.
make it a sentence. Now the ball is over the box. Now the ball is
Over
over the box. So, when we say, but when we use preposition on, this object is touch the surface. But when we use preposition over, there is a little gap between the surface and the object. The surface and the object. Now the ball is over my head. Ball टी मो मुंडा ऊपर अछि. नहीं? Now the ball is on my head. वर्तमान ball टी मो मुंडा ऊपर अछि. Do you guess the meaning by the difference between over and on? Yes or no? Yes. Big clap. Another preposition we also discuss. Under. Now we discuss the preposition under. Come here, come. Sit here. Sit here. What is that? Come here. Make a sentence. The situation of the Kanha.
Kanha is on the bench.
She said Kanha is under the bench. Is it correct or not? Now Kanha is under the
Bench.
yes or no?
The Kanha is under the bench.
Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right. ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କାହ୍ନା କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ବେଞ୍ଚ ର ତଳେ ଅଛି. ବାହାରେ ଆସ, ବାହାରେ ଆସ. Sit here, sit here. ଗୋଡ଼ ଉଠେଇ ବସ. What is this? ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ now the situation, the Kanha is on the bench. In this situation, the Kanha is under the bench. But now the situation, Kanha is on the bench. Understand it?
Yes.
The difference between on and under? A big clap. Now we discuss another preposition. We also read about in, on, under, into, etc. Now Hrishikesha, sit up. Now Hrishikesha is sitting on the chair or in the chair? Who can say?
On the chair.
On the chair. On the chair. On the chair. This is not correct. Because why this is not correct बोली कि कहबा हमें तो why काहे कि एई तो पूर्व हम पढ़ले in the last class we also discuss about the preposition on when we touch the surface वर्तमान now the situation the chair is two hands the chair have two hands now he is sitting in the chair because of the hands. Here we use in respect of all because of two hands. When we broke down the two hands, then we can say Hrishikesha is sitting on the chair. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଚେୟାର ର ଦିଟା ହାତ ଅଛି ଆମେ ତାକୁ କଭର କରି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯିଏ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବସି ପଡୁଛି ଋଷିକେଶ ତାହେଲେ ଏଟା ଆମେ ଜାଣୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ୱାନ୍ ଟାଇପ ଅଫ କଭର ତିନି ଗୋଡ଼ ତମକୁ ଢାଙ୍କିକି ରଖିଲା ପରି ଲାଗୁଛି ଭିତରେ ବସିଲା ପରି ଲାଗୁଛି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ ଆମେ କହିଦେଲେ କଣ in the chair ଯେତେବେଳେ ୟା ହାତକୁ ଆମେ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦବା ଯେତେବେଳେ ହାତ ନଥିବା ଚେୟାର ଉପରେ ଜଣେ ବସିବ ତାକୁ ଆମେ ଅନ୍ ଦ ଚେୟାର କହିବା ଏକୁ ମନେ ରଖିଥିବ ये सब रूल लोग डेविएशन नाउ चिन्मय इज स्टैंडिंग बैक ऑफ द चेयर चिन्मय इज स्टैंडिंग बैक ऑफ द चेयर एंड Hrishikesha is standing in front of the chair. Do you understand?
Yes.
Hrishikesha is standing in front of the chair and Chinmay is standing back of the chair. What is the difference between in front of and the back of? What is the difference? And what is the meaning of in front of? Agore chair agore Hrishikesha thia heichi chair pachore Chinmay chheda heichi. Easy preparation. It is difficult no and the another situation. Now, Sai Smita is standing, but
In front of the
Sai Smita is standing in front of Chinmay. And Karishma is standing the back of Chinmay. Rukmani ko Sai Smita is standing in front of the Chinmay. And Karishma is standing back of the Chinmay. And Chinmay is what? Between Sai Smita and Karishma. Now Chinmay is between Sai Smita and Karishma. Do you know in front of, back of and between?
yes.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Easy to person. In front of, back of and between. Now the situation. Go there. चलो now the another situation Lakshmipriya is dash the students but dash all of you no Lakshmipriya is among the students. सब पिला मानक मध्यरे लक्ष्मीप्रिया अछि. But Pujapriya is standing between Sai Smita and Varsha. Do you know difference between among and between? When we compare two items, three items, we use here between. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ମଝିରେ ଜଣେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ between କୁ ଲଗେଇଲା. But when the whole class is standing here, ସମଗ୍ର କ୍ଲାସ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଇଛି ତା ଭିତରୁ ଜଣକୁ ଆମେ ବାଛିବା, ଜଣକୁ ଆମେ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିଫାଇ କରିବା. He or she is among all of you by among the students. Clear about the among and between?
Yes.
Between the रुक्मणी between को लगेगा ଯେତେବେଳେ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟିଏ सिचुएशन क्रिएट करिबा सेते बेले हमें कोन करिबा between रो व्यवहार करिबा Here the pen is between the note and the book. Is it correct?
Yes.
The pen is and a make sentence using in front of. Say the situation, see the situation and a sentence in front of.
The note is in front of the pen.
Very good. The pen is, sorry, the note is in front of the pen. Give a big hand. Make a sentence using back of.
The book is the book is back the pen.
The book is back of the
Pen.
pen. Is it correct? Yes. Give another sentence. How can we try? Now make a sentence. Puja Priya. Using this situation, make a sentence.
Ball is on the book.
The ball is on the book. Give say Deepa. So the ball is on the book. Correct answer. And you say, what is the situation?
The pen is on the
The pen is on the notebook. Right? Now make a sentence using this situation. Who can say using the situation? Make a sentence. Karishma.
Babu.
Say the ball is right. Lucky Priya. Karishma. No, Chinmay.
The ball is over the book.
Very good. The ball is over the book.
Yes.
Now the situation is the ball is
Over the book.
Where a jar, a box covered surrounding by its particle. ଯେତେବେଳେ jar ଟି ହଉ ବା box ଟି ହଉ ଏ ଚାରିପଟେ cover. When we enter a ball, at that time we can say the ball is into the jar. But here the situation is different. There is no surrounding by the book. So we can say the ball is over the. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.